This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lorraine Tice. You'll find this new listing in a wonderful convenient location. Monterey is close to shopping, restaurants, UF, interstate and more. This 3-bedroom 2-bath split floor plan has a 2022 roof, it's been re-plumbed and has luxury vinyl floors in most areas of the home. A huge pantry off the kitchen was constructed from a portion of the 2-car garage, but not to worry, 2 cars can still fit if one of them is a smaller economy model. Some new appliances are found in the kitchen and the washer and dryer are included. The back fenced yard not only has a large storage shed/work area but delicious blackberry bushes and a fig and kumquat tree. Sit on your open patio and enjoy your privacy. For more information, review the details below.